Welcome back to Happy Place Diaries. In this episode, we are doing slide out maintenance. You're going to want to stick around because we got a lot to talk about here. So we have had our Keystone Passport now for 6 years. This is a 2016 model, and one of the reasons that this thing has served us so well is because we serve it. Also, we're constantly, going through regular maintenance. About 3 times a year, we do a thorough maintenance of our slide out. When it comes to stuff on the RV, we all know that if it's a moving part, you got to take care of it because, this earthquake on wheels doesn't stop when you park. This thing is the only thing that really moves once you get to the campground, and you want to make sure that you're keeping it sealed and maintained. So we use a couple products. We are not sponsored by whoever makes this, the 3-in-1, but we use this slide out silicone, namely because it doesn't attract dirt, dust, and all the grime, and it dries real fast. And then we're also going to treat the rubber seals with the 3-in-1 rubber seal conditioner, and so let's go ahead and get that done. So as you can see, I'm underneath the slide now, and it's really good to climb under here every once in a while so you can take a look and make sure that you don't have any weird rubbing spots. Make sure that you've got gaskets under here that need to be treated as well. And the only time that you're going to see that is when the slide out is out. The first thing that we're going to do before we put sealant or any of the slide out stuff on is get it cleaned. And, it's really as simple as getting in here with a rag. And you can see that we don't have a lot of dust and grime because we use that silicone fast drying sealant. And so it doesn't let the muck and road grime and stuff stick to our seal. I just spray it on. And I don't even wipe it. I just let it dry there. It needs to soak in, and it's really taking care of this rubber. And since this is a part of the trailer that you probably don't go to very often, it's good to just do a really good visual inspection of everything that's down here because, it's a hidden spot and there's not a whole lot of visibility. So, check it out. So on our slide out, we are operated by a cable system. So we're going to want to go ahead and get that cable lubed up too. And so I'm just going to spray a little of the sealant on there, or the lube, and I'm going to get the bottom cable, and I'm going to get the cable on the top, and then we'll get to the actual rubber seal. So now we're going to go ahead and put the rubber seal conditioner on. Let me show you how we're going to do this. So now we're going to go ahead and use the rubber seal conditioner, and we're just going to spray it on the seal itself and then wipe it all the way to the top. Now here's the critical part. Now that my rag is pretty lubed up with this seal, you want to get behind this right here, pull the seal back, and get in behind there really good. And that way it's going to seal both sides and treat this rubber. And again, we do this like a couple times a year, and we've never had a seal crack. These are the original seals that came with our Keystone, and everything is good. Yeah, the silicone 3-in-1 slide out lube, it worked great. It keeps everything nice and moving, keeps everything protected and clean, and that lets us get out and enjoy our RV and not have it in the shop. So yeah, super important stuff. And sure, get these rubber seals that are around your windows. Why not? It'll protect it. Hey, now's a good time to jump in and just remind you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already done so, join the HPD community by clicking on the join button. And I understand that you can't find the join button if you're looking at this on your phone, so you're going to have to jump over onto, you know, a laptop or desktop or some other top. But we highly encourage you to yeah, go ahead and hit those two buttons. Thanks. Hey, and let's not forget about the inside. We've got seals on the inside. We've got pulleys. Good time to check your motor also. And if you don't know where your motor is, check your manual. But ours is right up here. I don't know if you can see that. We have cables. You got the cables here and these pulleys. So you want to make sure that you're getting all of that sealed up also. And unfortunately, it's really hard to get to. Well, you can't get to it when the slide's all the way out. You can't get to it when the slide's all the way in. So when I pull it in, I go ahead and just stop it just short and get those lubed up. And then we're good to go for a little while. Yeah, this back side is like real easy to get to. This side of the trailer, good luck. You're not getting in there. So it's best to do when you've got a little bit more operating room. Slide out maintenance is a super critical task. You should really consider doing that a couple times a year to keep your slide out functioning properly. Everything be nice and smooth for you. And yeah, it doesn't take long. I mean, the entire process is, you know, a few minutes. Depends on how long you want to stay out there underneath the rig, but it's definitely time worthwhile. And these products, I'll see if I can find some links. We'll drop those in the description. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the join button, all the other buttons. And we appreciate you coming along with us. And hey, get out there, maintain your rig, enjoy your rig, and camp better.